Notice mistakes on your credit report? Yeah, errors happen more often than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to remove errors from your credit report step by step so you can protect your credit score and financial health. First, request your credit reports from the three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You're entitled to one free report from each per year at annualcreditreport.com. Review each report carefully for mistakes. Things like incorrect balances, accounts that aren't yours, or duplicate entries. Next, make a list of the errors you find. Check dates, amounts, account names, and reporting status. Being precise makes disputes more effective. Once you've identified errors, file a dispute with the credit bureau reporting it. You can usually do this online, by phone, or by mail. Provide documentation supporting your claim, like statements or letters. The bureau then investigates, typically within 30 days, and updates your report if the dispute is valid. You can also contact the creditor directly. Sometimes they'll correct the error faster, especially for things like mistaken late payments or account balances. After submitting disputes, check your reports to confirm corrections. Use credit monitoring tools to stay on top of any new errors or changes. And that's it. By reviewing your reports, identifying errors, filing disputes, and contacting creditors, you can remove mistakes and protect your credit score. If this helped, hit like and check out more tips for managing credit wisely. Ever notice